Welcome to the video. If you're concerned about your Facebook account security, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn on login alerts using the Facebook app. It's a quick and easy way to get notified if someone tries to access your account without permission. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap the Settings icon in the top right corner of the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. If Password and Security appears again, tap it one more time. Now tap on Login Alerts. Tap on your account. Here you will see options to receive alerts if someone logs into your account from an unrecognized device or browser. Turn on in-app notifications to get alerts directly inside the Facebook app. You can also enable alerts through email. That's it. Your login alerts are now turned on. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more simple tech tips.